Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by writing the method signature so the compiler and team know what to expect. Choose an access modifier that fits scope. Public exposes it, private keeps it local. Pick a return type or void and list typed parameters with clear names. Once done, add default values for optional parameters to simplify calls. Make sure parameter order reflects likelihood of change. This first step prevents refactor churn and keeps the API predictable for callers and tests. You now implement the method body with a single responsibility in mind. Start with guard clauses to validate inputs and return early. This keeps the happy path uncluttered. Use clear variable names, break complex steps into private helpers, and prefer link for concise collections work. If you need a sync behavior, return task or task T and await inside. Avoid mixing blocking calls. Once done, ensure exception handling is minimal and meaningful so callers can react appropriately. You complete the flow by calling the method from the caller context and writing unit tests that exercise normal and edge cases. Make sure tests verify return values, side effects, and thrown exceptions. Run the app and inspect behavior in real scenarios. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue with a minimal test case, then attach a debugger, set breakpoints, and walk the call stack. This focused approach helps you quickly find and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.